Today, I'm reviewing ConvertKit, one of the most popular email marketing tools built specifically for creators, freelancers, and small businesses in 2025. If you're growing an audience or selling anything online, here's why ConvertKit might be the tool for you. ConvertKit lets you send beautiful, personalized emails without being a tech pro. Its plain text style emails actually convert better and feel more authentic, especially for creators who don't want to look too salesy. You can easily schedule, preview, and send broadcast emails or drip campaigns all from the clean interface. This is a game changer. The visual automation tool helps you set workflows like welcome sequences, freebie delivery, product page follow-ups, all drag and drop, and it works even while you sleep. ConvertKits give your audience organized with tags and segments so you can target exactly the right people. Say goodbye to email blast. You can now send the right message to the right subscriber at the right time. ConvertKit even lets you sell products or subscriptions right inside the platform, no extra software needed. Perfect for selling ebooks, courses, or coaching sessions without a full website. And that's ConvertKit in 2025. Clean, creator-friendly, and packed with automation and monetization tools.